So it's Saturday morning, we are in our van and we are heading to meet up with a couple we haven't met before. They also own a T3, so we're pretty excited to meet them. Apparently they have a garden downtown, sounds very exciting. Intrigued by that. They said we could meet them there and we're gonna pick some veggies, maybe to have for the trip. So yeah, just gonna meet up with them and see where the day takes us.
Hello and welcome to our van. My name is Daniel.
My name is Solveig.
We got a van, what?
Couple of years ago.
And I've been exploring various places, but this year, well, you all know we have to stay home or stay around here. We ran across Simon Benedicta's YouTube channel recently, and yeah, like a couple of days ago, we reached out and said hi and wanted to get to know them and see their car.
And now we are on our way to Telemark, which is a part in Norway, like southern eastern part. And tomorrow it's National Day in Norway, 17th of May. Ooh. So we're gonna celebrate.
So this will be kind of a different way of celebrating because insert clip here. This is how Norwegians normally celebrate 17th of May. So we're gonna try something different.
We are waiting in line to get some fuel, and we got these beautiful plants here.
Smells like a fresh mojito.
It's so nice, and we are about, let's say, 3 hours away from our destination. So it's gonna be quite a lot of driving today.
Excited to take these guys on the road.
Cool little convoy we have going on the highway. Perfecto!
I'm half British.
His heart language is English, so I really want to talk English all the time.
Yeah! My native tongue, you know!
Simon is pretty nerdy about his drone, so here comes some drone shots of sick vans driving through Norwegian nature. 1, 2, 3, go!
So as you picked up by now, we have brought some greens from a garden where Daniel and his wife are collecting, and look at this beauty. Can you go through what the ingredients are?
Yeah, so I don't know what this is called in English, but it's actually an Asian kind of herb or yeah, green. It's quite spicy, so we're gonna use it sparingly. This is actually garlic, and most people think garlic looks like, you know, the cloves, but this is fresh garlic, so we just pulled it out of the earth. And a bunch of cabbage, various sorts of cabbage in here. Cabbage comes in many forms, and it's actually just some of them are pretty fancy too. They look really nice. This is kale, actually. This is kale.
Look at this, it's like a restaurant in the middle of the wilderness.
We'll see if it tastes.
To get the bonfire going. It's pretty cold here, actually.
Instead of asparagus, I'm treating the kale flowers as asparagus. And I think it will be quite good. It'll be a snack we can eat before we have our food.
I've never even seen this stuff before. Today it's Norway's National Day, 17th of May, and we found a pretty decent spot for breakfast. The worldwide situation now makes it kind of hard to do our normal celebration, but this is not bad at all. I gotta hand it to you. This is a nice place you found. Daniel, this is kind of random to do in the woods, isn't it?
I thought I would just decorate the car with foil, gonna wrap it. So let's have a look at how it ended up looking.
5 months and a year, oh I loved you too long. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt?
We are on our way to a small mountaintop here.
Yep.
And we're
Excited
gonna
to tent.
spend the night in a tent and make a good dinner, as we try to always do when we are hiking.
Plenty of food in this one.
Looking forward to the sunset from the top.
It looks good. It's not. It's a few clouds, but I think it's gonna be a decent sunset. And maybe we'll even get a sunrise. We'll see.
Daniel and Solveig couldn't join us. The plan is to meet up with them tomorrow.
Yeah.
So you'll be seeing some more of them, luckily. You guys don't know what you're missing out on. A really good exercise.
Just got inside the tent. It's pretty cold and it's really windy, so we just had to put the tent up. It was quite a struggle, and then we're cooking inside. We usually don't do it, but the fish is starting to look good, so I think it's almost done. Really tasty.
Angry. We left him this night, so let's try again. Off we go.
Our explorers are back.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Long time no see.
Yeah.
How are you?
Like 12 hours. Finally.
So we have pulled over on the side of the road. Daniel has collected his toolbox, and what seems to be the problem?
Well, really nothing serious, but we do have a temperature sensor which is saying that the engine temperature is quite high. Just doing some checks, and also noticed that I had a cable here that was hanging free. It shouldn't.
I'm sure many of you can recognize this, especially you Vanagon T3 owners.
It's a very relatable situation.
it's a part of the job, and yeah, at least there isn't like a highway or something. We're pretty safe here, and not a lot of traffic passing by.
Check that we don't have any air, because that can be one of the main reasons why you have heat buildup. As you see, there's some air escaping. There should be liquid coming out here.
Solveig is inside doing 2,000 RPMs, isn't
yeah,
it?
she's keeping 2,000 RPMs. What's important is to get the thermostat to send the water to the radiator. So I can feel it now that the radiator is heating up. That means that the coolant is coming from the engine bay up front. And I can just let this run for a while, because there may still be bubbles that are moving up the system as the pump gets them.
Oh, it's a real bummer. Getting pretty late, even though it doesn't look like it. It's like 10 in the evening. So yeah, this is kind of a shitty timing. Oh man, I feel for you. I wish I could help, but I don't know anything about engines.